So earlier this year, when this tree woke up, I took one of the branches, you can see it under the stone there, and what I did was decided to start a ground layer as opposed to an air layer. And the theory there is put the stone on the branch right at the node where the lenticels are, and the idea is to get some roots growing at that point, and when they get to be sufficient basically to support the branch that we're hoping for, then we can cut it off like we would an air layer and make a new tree that's pretty much self-sustaining. Now this one here, you can see a bunch of little figlets on it too. So today what we're going to do, it's been probably 2.5 months, 3 months about, and today is the middle of September. We have about 2 more months of growing season before the frost. So what I want to do is take this ground layer, remove it from the tree, and give it its own pot. And what I'm going to do is put it into a 3-gallon pot today, and hopefully we'll have a duplicate tree which will be nice and healthy. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so we're going to take the rock off, and I did look before. There are some roots that are supporting this branch in the ground. And you can see the beginnings of them right there. So what I want to do is cut this from the tree below the last root. All right, now let's hope it works. Okay, now I'm going to dig it out, try to grab as many of those roots as I can, and we'll do that with our trusty little mini shovel here. Some big old worms coming up. Yeah, we do have quite a few roots here. See if I can show that to you. There are roots on that side, roots on that side. So this should do nicely in a 3-gallon pot. And we'll put it there and see how that goes. Okay, so I have my 3-gallon pot waiting, and I'm just gonna, that's a root, we're gonna leave it. That's a leaf, I'm gonna cut that off. Another leaf. What I may do is save these leaves, dry them out, make some fig tea. So, this guy is going to go in a 3-gallon pot. Hopefully he'll stand up a little bit more as he grows. Like I said, be another couple of months here of growing season before he goes dormant. And hopefully he'll put on some growth, grow a bunch more roots, and become a nice strong tree. And I think he's going to want to have a little bit of support. So we go get a couple of bamboo shoots, put them in there, and give them a little bit of help. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got these Velcro garden ties, and used them a couple of times this year. Oops, there we go. And they seem to work pretty well. They're nice. So I just cut a piece. Actually, we're going to cut a few pieces. Hopefully this will help to straighten out this stem. And so what I'll probably do, if I can't get it to straighten out very much, when it goes dormant, I will probably, right where it bends, cut it here, take some cuttings here, then let this guy flourish for next year. And like I said, hopefully he'll be a nice healthy tree for us. So there he is. That's the ground layer. This is a Chicago Hardy. And I guess we'll find out exactly how hardy he is. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. And if you liked this, please like it. And subscribe to the channel if you like the content that I'm giving. And thank you very much for watching along. We'll see you next time. Bye.